Hi, it's Matty here. Today I'm going to install my Sideways ROM into my BBC Model B. So the first thing I need to do is remove the keyboard and the loudspeaker. And put that to one side. The next thing I need to do is remove IC51, which is this one, and IC73, which is this one here. 51's a little tricky. Oh, bend that slightly. There we go. The next thing I need to do is these two power supply leads are too high, so I need to bend them over slightly. So starting with the neutral. And then the live. And there we go. The next thing to do is to remove the link at S21 just here. Like so. So to connect power, I need to connect EI, which is the red lead, to the right of S21 pin. Like so. And A0 is to the left of S21. Hard to see. And there we go. Now we should be able to press the board down into IC51 and 73 sockets, like so. For now, I've taped the Sideways ROM switch to the side until I can drill a hole to fit it correctly. But next I'm going to return the chips back to their sockets. So IC73 goes back to here. A little push. And the OS goes back down here where 51 was originally. Next, we return the keyboard and the loudspeaker back into their positions. With the Sideways ROM installed, we should be able to turn this on now and we should see it boot up as normal. And there we go, it is working. In my next video, I will do some updates with adding different ROMs. Thanks, hope you've enjoyed this video, and see you again soon.